County in southeastern Minnesota, southeastern Pierce County, until 12:15 p.m. At 11:41 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located